In this video, I will share with you how to make a WhatsApp chatbot in Message2u. From the infographic icon steps. First, log into Message2u. Second, link with WhatsApp account. Third, select the WhatsApp number. If you want to choose subtitles in different languages, just click on Setting in the bottom right corner. Then you can choose your favorite language for subtitle. If you like our video sharing, please subscribe to the Message2u channel. First, go to the Message2u.asia website. Then log into your account on the right side. If you don't have an account, please click on the Get Started button. After logging in, select Channels. Then scroll down and find WhatsApp. Then click on the Connect button. To use WhatsApp chatbot, you need to be logged into your Facebook personal account. Please continue to click the Login as button. Then select the appropriate Facebook business account. For example, Message2u, and then click Continue. Again, select the appropriate WhatsApp business account, and then press Continue. In this section, please make sure that the WhatsApp number is the number that you have set up before. If it's correct, click Connect. When you see the WhatsApp icon appear in the Message2u system, then congratulations, the setup is done. Okay, we'll see you in the next video.